everybody, Kindle Scribe 2 is here. Going to do an unboxing real quick and also do a quick comparison to the Kindle 1 to see if you need to upgrade to the new Kindle Scribe. Excited about this device. It's in the middle of kind of the remarkable, the books. It's in the middle, and there's a loyal following to this. So let's just get into it. Let's unbox it real quick, see what we got in here. So this is a Kindle Scribe 2 tungsten 32 gigabytes that I did purchase. I did purchase this. The pen is supposed to be an upgrade. Right next to it, I do have the Kindle with my planner on here. This is the Kindle 1, okay? Just so you can kind of see it there. This is with the new planner that you can get over at MorningCoach.com. Okay, in the box, we have the new Kindle Scribe tungsten. Same form factor. Okay, as you can see, I have this upside down, so I can flip that around. Let's go ahead and do this. So we can change that. Let's make sure that changes there. Okay, so we got the same thing going on with the Kindle 1. And here is the Kindle 2 with the white border. Okay, and in the box, we have the new marker. So here is the marker that I hear is supposed to have a little better experience. It looks pretty much the same to me. It looks exactly the same, a little shinier. Okay, so there's the Kindle marker. We do have nibs in here. And we also have, obviously, a charging cable. Okay, so as you can see, form factor, Kindle 1, Kindle, it looks like it's pretty much the same, right? I mean, thinness, everything, let's just go ahead and, yeah, it looks like pretty much the same. In fact, looking at it, you'd think maybe it is the same device. So let's get it turned on here and just see what happens when we boot up. In the meantime, you can see our new planner here, which we've got all new navigation down the left, down the right. It's really good. So if you want to go into January and you want to work on January 1, you can get this over free at morningcoach.com. You can see how it works on the Kindle. All the navigation across the top works great. Again, you can grab that free over at morningcoach.com. So again, form factor pretty good. We're going to go ahead and get this set up. Okay. Choose your region. It seems pretty quick. I think it's very quick, is similar to the Kindle 1. Again, I just want to get a quick unboxing, and then we'll go over some of the planner ideas and concepts behind it. I do like the Kindle. I think for an e-ink reader, if you've got a lot of Kindle books and you do take notes, we have a lot of people using our planner right on the Kindle. And so now you have your books and your planner and everything integrated. It's really good. And again, you get that free over at morningcoach.com. You can grab our new planner. The 2025 one is great. Okay, so I'm going to get this signed up. We'll be right back. We'll test out a few functions, and then we'll get a more in-depth new planner review here real soon. But let me get signed up so we can test this out. Okay, we're back. I got everything loaded up. I just want to show you. So here's the Kindle 1 versus the Kindle 2, just a standard Kindle. So you can kind of take a look at this is a new color one, right? So you can kind of take a look at the size. It's pretty much the same size. Here is the Remarkable Paper Pro. You can see it's a little bit smaller. This is my daily driver for note-taking. Obviously, everybody knows that. We have the Remarkable 2, which is a great device, very similar in size, okay? So if you're somebody that's using your Kindle book, don't need color, and you're looking for a good notebook, this is probably the comparison I'm going to do, Remarkable versus that, or the books 10.3, which I have upstairs. I'll do that too. And then, of course, the 12-inch iPad here, we can kind of see where that fits, okay? Now, I put my planner on here just to test this out so you can kind of see, here's the 1, here's the 2. The planner you can get free over at morningcoach.com, works great. Let's get rid of the toolbar here, and let's go into January 1. Let me see if I can erase the toolbar. Let's see. I think, there we go. And so, yeah, everything works great here. So we got to do this. Let's go back to May. Yeah, it's working good. So if you're looking for a good planning device, this works really good. And then if we just go look here in the navigation, I find if you just hit up here, you can get home a little bit easier. It tends to bring this up every once in a while, but let's go home. Let's go into a notebook. Okay, so this is a notebook. So this is new on AI. It's going to be in the Kindle 1 too, but this is really interesting. I just wrote some nasty stuff down. Let's try summarize. Let's see what it does. Summarize this current page. Let's see how it does. This is the new AI with it, which is pretty cool for note-taking. Preparing for 20 notes indicate the user planners put notes in their planner. The user is getting ready for a great 2025. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, that was a summary, which is nice. Cancel generation. Let's go ahead and go into, let's do the refine writing and refine the current page. I think this is a really neat feature that I'm going to use a lot. That Remarkable needs to get going on to with the Remarkable Paper Pro. I think that would be a really good, AI objective, and we'll be talking to them about that. This test new AI feature is better. I'm going to put notes in my planner, and I'm ready for a great 2025. Okay, pretty cool. So then we can work on, so you have some AI there. Obviously, again, if you're a Kindle user, the nice thing is about this, let's go ahead and get out of that. Let's just delete that. Cancel generation. We're going to come back here. I find if I just double click on that, that's pretty quick. And you have your, obviously you have your regular reading here. Mind Magic is a book we're doing right now. It's giving me some notes on how to use my Kindle for reading. And here we go. So we've got our notes. We put notes in there. We've got our little thing here where we could pop in different notes, a sticky note, which is great when you're reading. And, I'm not going to get into all the functionality. I just want to get this open. But what a really nice device. I do find the pen pretty handy. It is working a little better. I don't know if you need to upgrade if you have the Kindle One already. But as far as functionality, Amazon's come a long way. They are getting there. Okay. Oh, I got to click that. Yes. And let's go ahead and go home. And so you've got your books, you've got your notes, you've got your library, and then for us, you can have an interactive planner. You go to MorningCoach and just download your planner, and then you've got the planner. You can have everything on your system, and again, in a nice little device, tiny Kindle device that you can carry around. Again, I think it's the same. I'm trying to tell if it's the same as the one. It's pretty close, and I know the software upgrade is going to be there. It does feel a little bit snappier, if that makes sense. And let me look at the settings. Can we change that light? I can't remember if we can. If we go to dark mode, what does that do? Okay, that takes that off. Let's go to all. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, that's what I was looking for. I don't like, let's get off of dark mode. I like a little bit more blue, so I think I can do, that's the brightness. Let's see if the warmth. Yeah, see, I'm more of a blue guy, so I like to go with the warmth down blue. That's more for me. And then we're good. Let's get out of that. It tends to be pretty good. Like, I'm pretty happy with it as far as reading. Again, the form factor, the regular Kindle, I think is better just to take on the plane or whatever. But hey, this is a cool device. If you're looking for something to take notes with, we'll get into a full review of it. But the Kindle 2 I think there is some improvements. I don't know if you need to upgrade from the Kindle 1. I haven't worked enough with it because I just literally unboxed it. But I think Amazon is entering the game, and they're giving some competition to the Remarkable. Now, obviously, Remarkable Paper Pro, we have color. I do love this device. I do use a typewriter to write my books on it. I think it's more of a competition between the Remarkable 2 and the Amazon Kindle, or the Books device, or the other e-devices that are out there. But they've come a long way. If you're looking for a general note taker, link is in the description. Obviously, you've got your books on your Kindle, and you're going to carry this thing around with you. I think they're really going to do some damage with this one. I think the Kindle 1 was big, and now they got the Kindle 2. Form factor is pretty good. I do like the white around it. You can get a couple different colors with it. This is 32 gigabytes. But I'm going to use it for a while. We're going to do a full review here. As always, subscribe because we got a lot coming. I'm going to do a comparison between this and the Remarkable. And then we'll go over some ideas and thoughts. And again, grab your planner over at morningcoach.com. And if you're, want to work with us in our membership, obviously that's what we do. Our members allow us to build that planner, and you'll see a lot on that. But we continue to put it out every year because of our wonderful coaching members, and that's what we can do. So Kindle 2 is out. I'm excited about it. Are you excited about it? Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Kindle Scribe 2024 edition.